Hi guys, welcome back to KodeMonk. Today we are going to see how to install NodeJs using NVM and how to manage multiple versions of NodeJs in Ubuntu 20.0. First, first install NVM script in your system. Go to NVM GitHub repository, copy the installation script. I think the curl command is not available in the system, so install the curl command first. So using sudo apt curl install curl. curl command installed successfully. Now try again to run the NVM installation script. Okay, NVM installed completed. Now run the source command to reinitialize the environment variables. Source dot bash hs. This will reinitialize the environment variables. So now we can check the NVM command using NVM mesh. You can check the version of NVM so that it is 0.37.2. It is working. Now we will see how to install Node using it. To install Node version 14, you can use NVM i14. It means NVM install Node version 14. We have successfully installed Node version 14. Now we will check that. Node-v will print that Node version. npm-v will print and then currently installed NVM version. And now we will see how to install multiple versions of Node and manage it using NVM. NVM install 12. This will install Node version 12 in the same system. Node version 12 also has been installed successfully. I can see that. NVM ls will print all available Node versions, and the currently active Node version is 12. The shell is using version 12, and the default version is 14. If you want to switch between the versions, you can use nvm use command. Okay, now we are using Node version 14. If you want to switch back to 12, you can use nvm 12. But the default version is 14. In our setup, the default version is 14, and the current shell using 12 version 12. We can change the default version of Node using alias command. nvm alias default 12 will set Node version 12 as a default version. Default version means when we open a new shell, that the default version of Node will be available in that new shell. See, we can the new shell will, now the default version is 12, so the new shell will be using 12 as its version of Node when we open it. I will set that 14 as the default version again. Yeah, we can see that now the default version is Node is 14. You can check that. Yeah, now the new shell is using 14 as the default version. So you can use any number of versions. We can manage multiple versions. This way we can using NVM we can manage multiple versions of node. You can uninstall the node.js. If you don't want a specific version of node.js, you can uninstall it using NVM uninstall and node space version number of node. Now we can see there is no node version 12 installed anymore in our system. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates.